Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly share a contact detail on a Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the contacts tab at the bottom. And in here, select a contact that you would like to share. For example, I'm going to select this one right here. Now you can select one or more contacts. So you can share multiple contacts if you wanted to. So in this case, I'm going to choose Mr. Blake and Mr. Brown. Next, tap on share and then choose how you want to share it. You can share using nearby share. You can use quick share. You can attach the contact detail to messages. You can share via Bluetooth. You can use Messenger app. If you have Facebook Messenger or Viber or WhatsApp, you can select them. Depending on what app you have installed, you can tap on the more button to select more apps in here. Now, because I haven't installed any apps in here yet, that's why I don't have a lot of options. So you can share it via email. So here I can tap on Gmail, and that will allow me to compose the contact. It will attach the contact's details as VCF file, and here you can choose the email address to send it to. So there are different ways how you can share it, and that's it. So simply select the contacts and tap on the share button to share your contacts detail. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.